Hello and good evening everyone. Okay, welcome back to our English distance learning program. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Okay, how was your holiday everyone? Did you have a good weekend with your friends and with your family? Okay, teachers hope that you had a good time together. Okay, so now let me just go to our lesson today. Before getting started to the lesson today, teachers would like to revise some of the grammars, okay, what you learned last week. Okay, so what teachers want to review or to revise is about how much and how many. Alright, one, did you still remember when you use how much and when you use how many? Okay, when do you make the question with how much and when do you use the questions with how many? Okay, so as we talked last time, we say how much we use with uncountable nouns, okay? And how many with countable noun. Okay, so now the teacher have 12 you can say 12 sentences for you, okay, to complete. Okay, so number one, you say cats are deer in the garden. So what do you say? You're going to say how much or how many? Okay, as you can see, the word cat is countable noun, so you're going to say how many cats are there in the garden. And number two, students are there in the classroom. So you're going to say how many students are there in the classroom. Number three, milk is there in the bottle. Okay, milk, count noun, uncount noun. Alright, it is uncount noun, so you're going to say how much, okay, how much milk is there in the bottle. Number four, eggs. Okay, eggs is count noun, so you're going to say how many eggs do you need for the cake. Number five, orange juice do you drink a day. So you're going to say how much orange juice, because orange juice is uncount noun, okay. And number six, money. Alright, money is uncount noun too, so you're going to say how much money do you earn a month. Number seven, legs does a cow have. Okay, so answer is how many legs. Okay, number eight, cheese do you eat at breakfast. Alright, cheese, count noun, uncount noun. Okay, cheese is uncount noun, so you're going to say how much cheese do you eat at breakfast. Number nine, chickens does your grandma have. So chicken here with s, so it's going to be plural nouns, okay, countable nouns, so you're going to say how many chickens does your grandma have. Number 10, apples are there in the basket. Okay, so you're going to say how many apples are there in the basket, because apple here is countable noun, okay. Okay, and one more thing, number 11, time. Alright, one, do you think you can count time or not? Of course we cannot, right? So we're going to say how much time do we have for exam. Okay, number 12, rooms. So room with s, okay, mean countable noun, so you're going to say how many rooms are there in your house. Okay, that's it everyone for our revision today. So let me move on to the lesson. Okay, so the lesson today is going to be comparing, okay, with earn, some, or any. Like you learn one by one already, so today we're gonna combine together, okay, compare together. Alright, there is and there are with a and some or any. As we talked last time, we use there is with, okay, with can be countable noun or uncountable noun, but with singular noun, okay. So you can say there is with singular count noun or singular uncount noun, and they are with plural countable noun. So let's see the explanation today. Okay, the first one is about a and an. Okay, a and an. So we say we use it with countables in singular. So and an. Okay, sorry. Sometimes I can say or okay, or just say a and an. Okay, so we say we use this with countable, okay, with countable noun, and it is in singular. I mean that example, if noun, okay, if the nouns are two up, so you cannot put a or an, okay. So a or an only noun that is singular. Example, you can say there is a plum, there is an apple, okay, a plum and an apple. Alright, let me talk about some. Okay, when you say some, it means that not only one, okay, but more than one. So it can be just 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we just don't know, but just about that, okay. So you say that we use some with countable nouns, okay, and also with uncountable noun. Again, we can use some in countable noun and uncountable noun in the affirmative sentences. When say affirmative sentences, it means that positive sentences. Sometimes you can say affirmative sentences, or sometimes you can say positive sentences. Again, we use some in positive sentence with countable nouns and uncountable noun. For example, you can see there is some sugar. You see, you put some sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun, okay. And there are some apples. See apple with s, okay, because apple is countable noun, okay. When we use with some, you're gonna put s. Got it, right? So yeah, this is about some, okay. Again, some with countable noun and uncountable noun in positive sentence. Okay, how about any? You say we use any with countable noun and uncountable noun too, but it is in negative and interrogative. Interrogative means question, okay. So again, we use any with countable noun and uncountable noun, but it is used in only negative sentence and question statement, okay, not in positive. So you can see the example. You say example, there isn't any sugar. See, negative sentence, okay, isn't any sugar. We don't put some, but I put an, any, because it is negative. There aren't any apples. Is there any sugar, or are there any apples? Okay, so we're going to use like this. Alright everyone, that's it for our lesson today. We just compare about some, any, a and ands when you are using in with the is or the are. So here's homework for you, number 1 to number 12. Okay, read the sentence carefully and choose the correct option. Choose the correct answer, okay? That's it everyone for today's video. Thank you again for watching this. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me, okay? Send me the questions with my private messenger. Okay, so that's it everyone for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.